Hello dear viewer. Today I am taking you on a journey to one of the most beautiful and iconic monuments in the world, the Taj Mahal, the eternal symbol of love, located in Agra, India. The construction of the Taj Mahal began in 1632 and was completed around 20 years later. It was built by the great Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, in memory of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal. She passed away during the birth of their 14th child, and Shah Jahan, who loved her deeply, wanted to create something that would keep her memory alive forever. The entire structure is made of pure white marble, and its beauty lies not just in its size, but in the delicate carvings, the symmetry, and the breathtaking architecture. One of its most magical features is that the color of the Taj Mahal changes with the sunlight, golden at sunrise, pearly white in the day, and a soft silver glow under the moonlight. Millions of visitors from across the world come to see this wonder every year. They say it is not just a monument, but a timeless story of love written in stone. Today, it is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is also one of the 7 wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal gives us a message that true love never dies. It remains alive through memories, through feelings, and sometimes, through grand creations like this one. Viewer, if you have ever visited the Taj Mahal, share your experience with us in the comments. And if you have not yet, this is surely one place that will leave you spellbound forever. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And yes, do send us your own stories so we can share them with the world.